It's Iroporo Ekiti. They are trying to escort the Fulani herdsmen that are disturbing them in the town out of Ekiti State. See them, they are coming. We want them out of Ekiti State. We don't want them to destroy our farmland and cause kidnapping, raping. We are escorting them with the anti-grazing team and Amotekun. See them. This is Iroporo Ekiti in Irepodu Ifelodun local government. We are taking them out of Ekiti State. We don't want them to disturb our people that are involved in farming. There has been series of complaints against them. That's why we are escorting them out of Ekiti State now, with the team led by Major Awe Tajudeen. We are escorting them with the Amotekun team and anti-grazing out of Ekiti State.